This is Kia here and welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title, we are definitely doing a video all about lipsticks today. All about lipsticks. Maybelline recently came out with a made for all lipstick collection under their color sensational line, and what this line is a new universal lipstick shade collection that complements all skin complexions. Maybelline has tested it on 50 diverse skin tones, and what they're saying is that it's been a satisfaction guaranteed. So they came out with 7 shades. They run you about $7.49, $7.99, you know, about that range, and they tested it on 50 women or 50 complexion shades. Not women, it could be men, it could be whoever, but 50 complexions, and all shades worked perfect, without a liner, without any other, just with the lipstick by itself. For me, that's a large claim. 50 complexion shades isn't a lot, but it's more than most companies would use to test the lipstick products out. It says made for all lipstick makeup features specially selected and obsessively tested pigments that make these universal lipstick shades look sensational on all complexions. The benefits that they're claiming says, don't know what shade complements your skin tone? Meet Maybelline's game-changing lipstick, created using specially selected pigments and tested on 50 diverse skin tones. Color sensational, made for all lipstick features collectible universal shades that look sensational on all. Taking the guesswork out of your lipstick shopping experience, Made for All features our trusted satin and matte formulas with honey nectar for a smooth and comfortable feel. You'll get 2 nudes, 2 pinkish berry shades, and 3 red shades. And these are the shades right here. Let me show you guys. And these are the shades right here that come in the collection, the 7 lipstick shades. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be testing each lipstick shade on my lips. And actually, let me zoom you in. First, we have 370 Spice for Me. This color I was most interested in. What drove me to pick up this color was because of the rustic orange pumpkin spice fall vibes it gave me. It is such a pretty shade. Look at it. It just goes on really smooth. One that I can honestly say I don't have in my collection, but will definitely pair this with a liner. Oh, am I bad? Don't pay attention to the all-day makeup. I tried. I wanted to get this video out to you guys, so here it is. What do you guys think about this lipstick shade? Next, let's move on to number 373, Mauve for Me. This is a true mauve color, which paired with a neutral brown liner could become my daily staple. Do you guys like this color? As I watch myself put it on, it's like truly can become a staple with a nice, you know, brown liner. Not too brown, a neutral brown. But yeah, I like this shade a lot. Now here comes the pinks. This shade is number 376, Pink for Me. This is a pretty sheer shade when compared to the other shades. It gives me a kind of bubblegum effect, just a little muted, but definitely needs a liner. I probably would pair this with my what color is that? My e.l.f. matte lipstick, just to give me that muted brown neutral look. So I think I could add this to one of my shades too. But for my complexion, I definitely would not wear this without a liner. I definitely would not wear this on its own. Oh, and don't forget number 379, Fuchsia for Me. That's this shade right here. It is a hot pink, not a pigment. It is hot pink, not as pigmented as others, but it's fun and different. but definitely not for me. Well, maybe on a spicy day. I feel like I could put this on when I have on just a neutral face, not doing too much, probably no highlight, but just want to pop a color on the lips. I probably could pull this out. But again, it definitely was not one of my favorite. Now on to the reds. This is number 382, Red for Me. This is the only matte shade that was in the collection that they came out with. It's not really a true matte. It's because it has like a luster feel. I have other matte lipsticks that are a little bit more matter than this one, but it's really cute. It's super smooth, and so far it's not drying, and it also didn't feel like it would run all over the place. Now, mind you, don't pay attention to that little smirk on the side of my face. I didn't wipe all the lipstick off from before, but I definitely like this, and I could wear it with or without a liner. Like, I think the look I had today, it looks really good. I could definitely wear this to work. Now we're almost to the finish line. Number 385, this is Ruby for Me. Now, in my opinion, it was way too shiny. Not my favorite out the bunch, but it definitely is a true red lipstick. Probably not something I will gravitate to, as I like the matte shade, which is Red for Me, but it does the job for those that don't like matte lipstick and like a little, gloss or luster to their lipsticks. So you definitely should try this one out if you're into the reds, but not the red matte shades. And finally, we have number 388. This is Plum for Me. This is a true plum shade. Definitely not something that I would have gravitated to just off first glance. But it's something to admire from afar. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I can pull this shade off? I don't know. The more I look at it, the more I'm like, But it kind of gives me like my grandma shade. Like her wearing this Sunday morning, just throwing it on for church. It's not for me. But again, something to admire. I'll add it. I'll keep it. And maybe, play around with it. Maybe with like a dark purple liner, I could try to pull this off. However, again, all these shades were very intense, some more than others, pigmented and buildable coverage that glides on really smooth. So you guys just saw me try on the 7 different shades by Maybelline, and I kind of gave you guys my overall thoughts of some of the shades. However, I will say that I am very appreciative of Maybelline trying their best to come out with universal shades that flatter different skin tone shades. I think I said it right. Yeah, different skin tone shades. So I'm excited to see other videos of other YouTubers or just anybody posting of how the lipstick shades look on their skin tone and their thoughts on it. I like majority of them. I do think that I probably would pair with a liner. I think that I also will pair with a gloss just to calm them down some. That's just because I'm not a loud, bold person. I'm a neutral girl. I'll wear a brown shade or a neutral shade every day, any day, all day. And I've just gotten into the reds, but as you can see them on my lips, I kind of do like them, but I definitely will go on with the liner. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you back on my next video. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think of this video. Tell me what you guys think of the line. Have you guys tried the line? If not, I would say pick up a couple of shades. There's definitely shades in here for everyone, even if you're not getting all 7. But again, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.